गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नमस्कारं स्पष्ट ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरदेवाणी जन्मकन्या प्रवाहवतु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। My salutations at the lotus feet of Dr. Hahnemann, Master E.K. and other Homeo legendaries, and my pranams to all the participants of these classes. And today is the 16th October 2024. This is a new class, and we are giving classes on Materia Medica for the present. Philosophy we have covered to some extent, and case taking is another subject, and biochemics also we have to deal. That I will deal separately. For the present, we will continue the Materia Medica. Today, drug what we are going to deal with is laccaninum. 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 So my audio and video are okay?
Yes, uncle. Yes, okay.
Yeah. Laccaninum. Laccaninum. This is the medicine is prepared from dog's milk. This is prepared from dog's milk. Dog's milk is also a medicine in homeopathy. Many animals' milk products, milk drawn from animals, are medicines. You have got another medicine by name Lacleolinum. That is the medicine prepared from lioness, milk of a lioness. How difficult it is to draw milk from a lioness. We have medicines like that. So this is a dog's milk medicine. Note down first sentence. It is antidote to even deadly poison. If a dog bites, it will be poison. Person may get a disease called Dhanurvata, tetanus. But dog's milk is a medicine. Even sometimes, highest antidote, poison also can be antidoted by laccan. Next, diphtheria, 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 a kind of a severe cough. It's a good medicine for diphtheria. Next, very deep and long-acting medicine. Very deep and long-acting medicine. Glands enlarged with red ulcers. Glands enlarged with red ulcers. Nervous problems. Nervous problems. Patient is oversensitive. Patient is oversensitive. He is sensitive to anything and everything. You can find these oversensitive patients generally in our clinic. There are many drugs which are oversensitive. Lacanum is one of the medicines. Soreness of throat. Soreness of throat. Commences with a tickling sensation. In the throat, there is some tickling sensation is there. From there, symptoms start. Tickling sensation, which causes constant cough. Gale mein khich khich, we call it as. Vicks vapor of advertisement, you can see. Always, he will be clearing the throat. There is tickling sensation in the throat. Lacanum is one of the best remedies. Next. Pains move from place to place. Pains move from place to place, alternating from one side to the other. Alternating from one side to the other. This is another peculiar symptom of Lacan. He says headache is there on the left side. No, no, sir. It is gone to right. Sometimes he says it is at right side, then goes to left. Sometimes right leg, right shoulder, left shoulder. So pains move from side to side. Sometimes it may be present in both the sides also. Next. Corners of mouth cracks. Cracks in the corners of the mouth. There is another drug by name arum trifilinum. This is also another drugs. Cracks in the corners of the mouth. Next, peculiar symptom, very important symptom. Snakes in dreams. He dreams snakes. Snakes in dreams. Sometimes he feels snakes are in his back. There is a back, there is a snake. He feels and got frightens. Sometimes snakes are on his back. Next. Weakness. This is one of the symptoms of Lacan. Weakness. Habitual liar. Speaking truth is difficult for him. Just see, very peculiar symptom. Very rarely he speaks truth. And he will be surprised to see people who are following this, speaking the truth. So, speaking truth is difficult for him. Very restless. Very restless. He starts a program and leaves it in the middle. Starts a program and leaves it in the middle. He will not complete. He will do only start and then he will leave half of. For that also, you see, that type of symptoms also can be cured with homeopathy. This is the efficacy of homeopathy, importance of homeopathy. Okay. Next, absent-minded. Absent-minded. Imagines that she is not herself. Imagines that she is not herself. Sometimes he is wearing nose of others. It is not his nose. He says that, sir, this is not my nose, sir. It is somebody's nose. There is another peculiar symptom of lichen. Cannot stay alone. Always he needs a company. Cannot stay alone. Depressive mood. So he is in a kind of depression. Fear of diseases. This is another peculiar symptom of lichen. Yes, some disease has, that he feels that as if some disease has come. And fear of disease. Somebody says some person is suffering from cancer. They will have fear of cancer. Like that. Fear of diseases. Feels insulted. There's another drug that is Staphylococcus. Lichen also feels as if he is insulted. Others are not respecting him. Feels insulted. And feels that everybody is looking down at him. Feels that everybody is looking down at him. They are not giving the due respect to him. They are looking down at him. Like that he feels. You can put it like this. Inferior complex. Inferiority complex. Inferiority complex. Irritable. Very, very irritable. We have many drugs irritable. Don't think Naxamanka is the only irritable drug. Leccanum also has irritability. Easily excited. Easily excited. Anxious. A-N-X-I-O-U-S. Anxious. Always will be with anxiety. That is one symptom of lichen. Anxious.
Master, one request, sir. Sorry for interruption, class.
Ah.
If anyone switch on the video, I'll just remove the call because I can't type here because Nagaraj sir is typing everything. Unless I put switch off video, it will disturb for reading for other people also. Whenever anyone switch on the video, I'm just blocking the call or removing them from the call, sir. Sorry.
Don't Don't remove them like that.
Ah.
Give the message first.
I mean, I'm typing here, sir. Actually, I'm typing the message continuously.
Remove
Okay,
them. They're not
okay,
dead.
okay, sir.
Just to tell them, okay? Too much disturbance is there, you can just take message. Okay. Anxious, then cursing and swearing. This is one symptom of black cat. Will be cursing and also will be swearing on God. Say, really, God promise I am correct like that, he will tell. Cursing and swearing, both are there. He sees spiders, snakes, and worms. He sees spiders, snakes, and worms. 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 Imagines they are there by his side. Imagines they are there by his side. He feels that there are spiders, there are. It is as if it is not true, but he feels it. Homeopathy is best when the symptoms are there at feeling level or sensation level. Once they come to the physical plane, it is difficult to cure. So it should be only at the feelings level. Then homeopathy is the best. So he sees spiders, snakes, and worms. They are there with him. Okay. They look healthy. And we can't imagine that they are patients. Can't imagine that they are patients unless they express themselves. Unless they express themselves. Till that time, if they don't tell about themselves, if they don't tell these symptoms, you will feel they are very, very healthy. They look healthy also. Chronic sadness is there. Chronic sadness. And hatredness. They hate others. Frequent desire to pass urine and stools. Gastric problems. Milk products almost have gas problems. Gastric problems. In some cases, constipation may be there. In some cases, constipation may be there. Sharp pains in the eyes and ears. Particularly middle ear. Sharp pains in the eyes and in the ears, 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 particularly middle ear. This is one symptom. Generally, you can see throat is affected by lichen. There is diphtheria, there is cough, there is tickling sensation, and the symptoms that pertain to mouth cracks. So above this, they will have some problems. Okay. Next, excessive dandruff. In biochemic natrum 6X is the best medicine. Homeopathy, we have got different medicines. This lacanum also has a dandruff. That too excessive dandruff, too much. Fluent cold. It is running, and then some cold symptoms are very, very clear. Fluent cold. Cannot bear smell of flowers. This is one peculiar symptom of ignatia and also lichen. Cannot bear smell of flowers. Lachanum ladies, it is very difficult to wear flowers. They avoid. Headache with nausea. Nausea is feeling of vomiting sensation is called nausea. Headache with nausea. In bracket to note down, nausea is a feeling of vomiting. Headache first on one side, headache first on one side and goes to the other side. Talking through nose talking. This is the peculiar symptom of lichen. Many people have this habit. They speak through nose. Yes, dandruff is there. Talking through nose. Tonsils. You got Beretta curve is there. Lichen is there. Many drugs are there. Tonsils. Aversion to sweets. It does not like sweets. Argennitricum likes sweets. This drug, lichen, does not like sweets. Sometimes increased appetite. Eats more. Sometimes increased appetite and eats more. In some cases, appetite is reduced. In some cases, appetite is reduced. Just see these contradicting symptoms. Just because appetite is less, don't give like that, it is not there. Just because he eats more, give like no. Other symptoms also should tally. So based on one symptom, we cannot select the medicine. Great hunger for large quantities. Sometimes he takes large quantities. Constant urging to urinate. This is one peculiar symptom of Lacanium. Casticum is there. Other drugs are there. Constant urging to urinate. And passing large quantity of urine. Passing large quantity of urine, sometimes frequently. Why this sometimes, in the provings, some provers have given there is a large quantity of urine passed. And it was very frequent. Some cases, large quantity is there, but infrequent. But some cases, some provers have given increased appetite. Some provers have given decreased appetite. So, because it is only the collection of the provings that were done on healthy human beings, whatever is there, some out of 20 people, some 5 or 6 might have told this symptom, some 5 or 6 must have told that symptom. So both were included in the Mitra Medica, so that we can give medicine both the cases. That is the reason we find sometimes symptoms like this, contradicting symptoms, contraindicating symptoms. Drinks more milk. It is from dog's milk. Medicine is prepared from dog's milk, and he drinks more milk. Headache above the eyes. When exposed to cold wind. Headache above the eyes when exposed to cold wind. And better in warm room. Headache is better in warm room. Rheumatic pains, RHEUMATIC. Rheumatic pains are better by cold application. You see, rheumatism is better by cold applications. Patient is sensitive to light and noise. This is the one oversensitive I told. So patient is sensitive to both noise and also light. Says switch off the light. Bryonia also has a sensitivity to light and noise. Naxwamika also, Coffea cruda also has sensitive to noise and light. They want everything to be very calm and quiet. Naxwamika patient, Bryonia patient, they can't move. When there is pain, Bryonia cannot move anywhere. They will not even bear the sound of opening the door also, where he sleeps. Nobody should walk around. No noise should be there. If the bryonia patient gets headache, it is headache for all the persons in the house. He won't allow them to talk. He won't allow them to smoke. Every sound aggravates the pain. Nakswamika, he will make a lot of sounds, but others should not make any sound. These are the symptoms where we have to observe and give the medicine. The problem is because the patients are not aware of the theory of homeopathy, they don't know that this is one symptom to be presented to the doctor. They feel that some people argue also. Sir, anybody has headache, we should not make noise. Is it correct? Need not be. All the persons suffering from headache need not object others moving in the room. But in oversensitive cases like Brahnia, Nakswamika, Kafiya, Kroda, Black Canum, nobody should make any noise. Okay. For ladies, scanty menses on first 1 or 2 days or first 1 or 2 days.
Bro, your voice is broken, sir. We are not able to hear clearly.
Could you repeat, sir? Voice is going.
Yes.
Not audible, sir.
Not audible and it's breaking, sir. Okay.
Not audible, sir. Breaking. Voice is breaking also.
Maybe any setting problem? Now it has become mute, sir.
Naga, sir, let me check.
Hello. Is it okay now?
Yeah,
Now
it's clear, sir.
Okay. Video problem. Now we'll continue. Scanty menses, first 1 or 2 days, and excessive bleeding from third day. This is one peculiar symptom of black cancer. For ladies, first 2 days, 1 or 2 days, 1 day or 2 days, there will be no bleeding. From third day, heavy bleeding will come. Okay. Very irritable for first 2 days of menses. Very irritable. Irresolution. They can't resolve properly. That is why they don't continue the work. Irresolution. And cannot continue the work. Vertigo. When walking, and feels as if floating in the air. And feels as if floating in the air. Violently hysterical women. You can see this is called schizophrenia. This is also a very serious drug. Violently hysterical woman. If other symptoms tally, we can cure that violence also. Hysteria also. Next. Rheumatic pains in the limbs, LIMBS. Both hands and legs, rheumatic pains. This is one of the important drugs. Rheumatic pains in limbs. Loss of milk in nursing mothers without known cause. Loss of milk in nursing mothers without known cause. The same medicine is useful for drying up of the milk in the nursing mothers. Is useful in drying up of milk in nursing mothers where they cannot breastfeed the infant. They cannot breastfeed the infant. This is one of the very important symptoms of lichen. In some cases, particularly present days, the child is born with some congenital problem. Child is admitted to NICU and the mother will not be able to feed the child. But milk is produced. The mother will get a lot of pains in the breast because milk outflow is not there. Such cases also, Lacanum 31 dose will dry up the milk. Suppose infant dies for some reason or still baby by birth, but milk is produced. In such cases, it's a wonderful medicine. I gave to some cases. For such people, allopathy, there is no medicine. If you give Lacanum, that will dry up the milk and mother will not have any problem. But suppose mother is able to feed well, if you give Lacanum because other symptoms are there, it will dry up the milk. The baby will be deprived of the milk. So you should be very careful in selecting the medicines. That is the reason we have to see the totality of symptoms. So the same medicine like Naxwamika will work for constipation and also diarrhea. Such drugs are there in homeopathy. So unless we have a thorough knowledge of materia medica and the philosophy of the medicine, we will not become a good practitioners. So you must have overall idea of all the symptoms. That you must remember always. Sensation as if an insect is crawling, an insect, INSECT, insect is crawling on the shoulders and the neck. On the shoulders and the neck. They will be always trying to clear up like this. Something is there, some insect is there, but it is not there. So this is one symptom of lichen. Great desire to sleep. Great desire to sleep, but very difficult to find a comfortable posture. Very difficult to find a comfortable posture. You will try to sleep on back, sometimes supine. Sometimes he will put the hands on the head, below the head. You will not get sleep. But desire is there. Posture is very difficult. Comfortable posture is difficult. Very difficult to find a place to put the hands while sleeping. Where to keep the hands? That is a very difficult. For lack of you will find that patient tells, sir, I don't know where to keep my hands. Right problem, left problem, above problem, below problem. So the hands are a very difficult posture for him to keep the hands while sleeping. Next. Falls into sleep on boring the face into the pillow. He will put the pillow and boring the face into pillow. He'll do like this, against the pillow, and he will get sleep. Dreams of toilets. Dreams of toilets and dreams of urinating and passing stools. Dreams of urinating and passing stools. Dreams of toilets. Sometimes his sleep is so deep, but there is urge to pass the urine. He will not get up. Then he will get a dream. Then he will get up. Oh, I have to go to bathroom. That is a wonderful symptom of lichen. Dreams of passing, urination, and passing stools, and dreams of toilets. That is another peculiar symptom of lichen.
Sir, this one is there for argentum nitricum also, sir. Dreams of
Urination is not there for argentum nitricum. Okay, next.
sir, acid fast.
Next point. I repeat, very deep and long-acting medicine, hence to be repeated carefully. Very deep and long-acting medicine, hence to be repeated carefully. Then he imagines as if he is floating on the bed. Imagines as if floating on the bed and not touching the bed. They feels that he is above the bed. Feels. It is not true. Then there is distress in abdomen. Some discomfort, distress in abdomen. That's all. This is like cannon. They have given a clear picture. And this is very frequently used medicine, one of the polycrus. And you will find a lot of like cannon people. These type of drugs, in one of my recent experience in Bangalore, one person, a lady, diabetes with the fasting sugar of 250 above, and HbA1c was about 10. She's on insulin for about 120 units per day. 10 to 20 units itself is very high dose. 120 units. A constitutional drug, we found that as colchicum, and we gave colchicum. Now the sugar reading is 100 to 150 or 160 fasting. With reduced insulin, presently she is on 10 units of insulin from 120 units. Slowly we reduced the dosage. But still reading has not gone up, not touched even 180, 190 like that. It is 120 like that. It is not giving medicine for diabetes. It's giving medicine for the person. Diabetes is controlled. This is the way we have to treat the people in homeopathy. I will explain you that case later. Now it is time for the question answer session. Over to Satyanarayana garu.
సార్ నమస్కారం సార్. ఆచార్యులు
Sir, namaste.
Namaste.
He swears and lies, both the things.
He can't speak truth. That is more. He will always tell lies. There is
In spite of swearing.
swearing and cursing both are tell lies. And he will ask, what is there if I tell what is wrong? He telling.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
సాయిరామ్ ద్వివేదుల, సాయిరామ్ ద్వివేదుల. ఓకే, శ్రీకృష్ణ రెడ్నం,
About more than 120 members are there. Same members are asking questions every week. Whether available
శ్రీకృష్ణ రెడ్నం,
or not.
నమస్కారం
సార్ సార్ యాసిడ్ ఫస్ట్ కూడా ఈ యూరిన్ పాస్ ఉందని డ్రీమ్ రావడం ఉంది కదా సార్, యాసిడ్ ఫస్ట్
ఉన్నాయి. లేదు.
అదే యూనిక్ కాదా అని డౌట్ వచ్చింది సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
There are other medicines.
నాగరాజ్ సార్.
మాస్టర్ అండి.
Hello.
మాస్టర్ గారు, హిస్టారికల్ ఉమెన్ అండ్ బ్రెస్ట్ ఫీడింగ్ మదర్స్ కి వితౌట్ ఈ యొక్క సిమ్టమ్స్ లేకపోయినా కూడా ఈ మెడిసిన్ ఇస్తారంటారా?
Symptoms tally అయితేనే always totality of the symptoms is the best.
అంటే బ్రెస్ట్ ఫీడింగ్ మదర్ కి ఇది డ్రైయింగ్ అప్ కోసం ఇస్తానన్నారు కదా, అంటే మనం కాదు అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక డాక్టర్ కన్సల్టేషన్ లో అయితే ఇది ఇస్తారంటారా?
Only on that symptom we can. Because acute totality.
ఓకే.
నాగరాజ్ సార్.
Hello, sir. Sir, if all the symptoms match and if the patient doesn't have a habit of lying, is very truthful,
You can give.
you can give. That extreme possibility is also there, no, sir?
Yes, yes. 80% of the tally.
Okay. Okay. Second question, sir. In by mistake, someone gives lacanimum because of the totality, the mother has delivered a child and the milk will dry up. Now, in that case, how to set it right homeopathically?
Give one more dose in higher potency.
Higher potency. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sudharani Khatri.
Yes, sir. You said loss of milk in nursing mothers without known causes. But ideally, nursing mothers, they don't know the cause of loss of the milk, right? Sir?
No, no, many cases, there may be some subtlety involved. There may be sudden shocking or something. Cause will be known. Only in some cases, they don't know the cause. Such cases,
We can consider. Okay. Is it miasmatic drug? It's deep acting, but
the deep state is always miasmatic. Cause will be
okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Sim, SIM, Sim. I don't know the name, sir. Sim.
Hi, Mr. Lakshmi Narasimhan. Yes.
Lakshmi is the name, your name.
Mr. Lakshmi Narasimhan.
Lakshmi Narasimha, Sim, yes, small. Okay, okay.
Master, just a quick question.
Yeah,
Can this medicine be used for snake bites as well?
no. Snake bites, this will not work. Though snake bites, we have got special medicines prepared from snake poison.
Okay, Master.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Subbarao Chennupati.
Namaskaram, sir.
Yes.
In this drug, there is one symptom, fear of diseases. Is there any difference between fear of diseases and the hypochondria?
Yeah, it is same. Hypochondriasis is a symptom worrying about the diseases.
Okay.
Hypochondriasis is called worrying about the diseases. Somebody is telling Ricinus communis. Ricinus communis is Amadam, castor oil. That is also good medicine for getting milk to the mothers, nursing mothers. That is also good medicine, specific medicine. Next.
Roshan Bhatta.
Sir, namaste, sir. I wanted to know if there is some symptoms like kind of heat developing in the eye, is it related to the other symptom in the body?
It is, everything is related to the central vital force.
So that means it's maybe inflammation or something anywhere in the body is causing that?
Maybe there. All the symptoms are interconnected with the vital.
Any prescription for that?
Prescription.
For the heat development in the body?
No, that we have to see the other symptoms and vitality.
Okay.
We cannot give one symptom medicine, we cannot give such cases. We have to see other symptoms and tally.
Thank you, sir.
After 6 months also you will put me the question. I will be repeating. Lac defloratum will not work, lac canum will work. Next.
Sir, that's all, sir, for the day.
That's all for the day. Thank you very much. We'll close the session here.
Sir, Satyanarayana sir came, sir. One more. Satyanarayana MR.
Satyanarayana from Mysore. Yes, sir. Lac defloratum, look the drink of it.
Okay, sir. I think he's not responding. Fine.
Yes, sir. From
Yeah,
my... Hello?
can you hear me now?
Yeah. Tell me. You are audible.
Basically, this message is for the admins. In the admins, no, there is in settings column, there's the option of join and leave notifications. If that is disabled, we will not be able to see those people who are leaving and who are joining.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a very irritating thing. So we can go to Google Meet settings and disable the option for join leave notifications.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
We'll try,
make
sir.
sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Not just good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll coordinate a day. And tomorrow is the seniors. And juniors we will have on the Friday. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, Mr.